Oh yes, guys, good evening everybody. Oh yes, this Vera TV program, I'm back again. Please, anytime just they get post just work out for YouTube news, just see my channel. Please don't fail to subscribe to Vera TV program, and please press that bell. I don't want to give you alert anything when I do for you. Please, no, I'm not gonna say I not do live video. I beg. Anytime for now we go do so. I just sit there busy, now before you go do this one, do that one time, don't go more than I know as it be. My people, especially for this abroad, we know as they go. So now, so my people, I'm back to my topic again. Good evening, good evening. I see give on this one. I'm gonna sit there, I'm gonna see use and take the while wait time. I'm gonna sit there, know what they go on. I see give on new updates. My people, God bless you, appreciate you a lot. This Vera TV program, I'm back again. Thank you very much. And my second channel, remains one more with the start live video for them. Please, if this is your first time when you jam my video, please don't fail to subscribe to Vera TV program. Please don't fail to subscribe to my second channel, Pursue the Enter Hearts TV. Now me get some. So now my new YouTube channel, and I be that my second channel. So please, just write and Pursue the Enter. You don't send go come outside. Please don't fail to subscribe. I beg. So that they do get things for them. Hook up many things. Go they go for that channel. So back to our topic. We don't know topic we want to talk about today. No, so I never use my touch. I just do short video about it. It's about this man when he be said this judge when he died for America. So now one use mouth touch to that. You are free to drop your opinion, no insult, no fight. What you still think about the matter as it they go, no, you don't go viral for social media. Many people don't see the video, so nobody will say never satisfy you. They social media, especially Facebook, you will see it's every day all over the world. In fact, riots even they go on from America right now. Mrs. Dance is that on Monday when they say the thing they happen. So I want to use mouth talk about someone and see put an opinion there. So I agree to appreciate a lot my refans, my people. Thank you. I'm back again. This Vera TV program. I'm gonna give thumbs up. I beg. You know, I'm gonna mark thumbs up, but it's very important. You understand? I'm gonna the mark and put so my fans God go bless me. Now I'm gonna go up. Bad thing go see us now. Good thing go to locate us happiness and joy. It's also with me too, and all my fans, all my people. So I'm back again to my topic. God will bless and appreciate a lot. Now this video when they go viral, when it be say when it happen between America white man and black America, yeah, black America. This man when be judge, when they say the cash and for when they not be cash as in they want arrest him, when they say they want talk, they say the man called they resist arrest. So when the matter they go on, when they see this judge, I don't know the crime when they say commit, because I don't know what they say the man do. When they transfer money, give person, I can cause wahala, or they send them, they do all those things. I don't really know my people. So I have my opinion, you have your opinion, you can drop it there. So now my opinion, I see the toss and I wait till I see now they talk, of which everybody know, no lie, no wuru, no why. All of them are on social media, all of them they Facebook. So now my people, many people don't put on for YouTube channel. So they say this man, they call no way, I don't know what they say he do, then they call carry this man, they call say they arrest him. So as they want arrest this man for a car, where they say that one restaurant now for the come outside, as they come outside now they say they want arrest him. So as the man enter, as they want arrest the man not fight them, he not blow them, he not give the injury. Okay, now they can't do the couple anchor for this man hand. As they pull anchor for this man hand, my people, when you pull cash person say commit crime and get what he do. Maybe if they pull anchor for their hand, they will carry them direct to station. Then they'll go settle the matter for them, my people. Okay. What they call happen to this man on now? They can't carry this man, they can't anchor. As the anchor finish, they call they use this man to the patrol around the area there. They tell her make it sit down, make it stand, make it get up, make it walk up. After they don't do that one finish, my people, I don't know what happen. They say whether they don't want carry the man go station, whether the crime when they commit not reach anything, because if you accuse person wrongly, you will go for it or you pay that person, which everybody know. So because me don't know why they can't arrest this man, call the detain and they don't carry this judge go police station. Okay, as they don't anchor finish, they say make it sit down, make it stand, they say make waka. Later now, not know what happen. They can't carry the man near their motor. As they carry the man, they are the motor, then they come follow more or they drag go and not know the man come for. Okay, my people now. As the man fall, my people, he reach where the artillery go to the press this man for ground. The other one pull his knee, he put him for his neck. Okay, now they come begin pull leg for that man neck. This tall man, he tall, rich, huge, rich. He put his knee for this man neck. Put her for a neck, put her for a neck. The remaining two just they stand back for the man back and the leg. The Chinese man call they do gate man, call they do security work. Call they observe who they go, they observe who they come. Okay, after they don't press the man, people they pass because they say, what did they go on? They help this man not go carry on. Because if that man commit crime, because people won't even be say that they resist arrest. If you be say that if you commit crime, say resist arrest, they go call another police. Then another police go come, like another squad go come. They go carry on. Okay, now one time me say 4 policemen and 1 black man. The power who they handcuff for back. So now the power who they handcuff, now the power cause you pass 4 policemen, my people. More and see them. More and see them, my people. 4 policemen, 1 black man, and the black man on a feet handcuff him. He hand, he day back. Okay, wait till come make them not go carry this man go police station. Okay, they want to say they see handcuff the man finish. Now the man they drag. Okay, why they not call another policeman? Make they come carry the man by fire by force. They not called. Now only them. Okay, how many of them can't there? When they not going to carry this man? 4 of them, my people. Okay, after that one, the man called the shot. They call the man and put in knee for a knee. The man called the shot. The man called the shot. The man called the shot. Please help me. Please help me. I can't breathe. Please help me. I can't breathe. The policeman, they tell us say make it stand up. Make it stand up. Okay, who you say make it stand up, my people? 2 of them press him for back. He put knee for this man neck. My people, how person go fit stand up? This head and neck, not be the control body, my people. Okay, you put knee for his neck. He had the handcuff him. Okay, how come this man go take help himself? My people, how this man go fit take help himself? When it be say, he go fit get up, and this man no go fit get up. This man is okay, please help me. Officer, please help me. I can't breathe. So this man called they cry like a baby. This man was crying like a baby. Now they cry because they make people call they carry phone the video. Carry phone the video, carry phone the video, carry phone the video. Okay, now the man they shout will not help him. You carry your knee, you put her for a neck, you they press this man neck. Because they now black. Una want to say if that man, this man are Oyibo, this policeman go do this thing when he do to this black man. Una want to say if that man are Oyibo na white like that. Una want to say go fit do one. No, cannot be possible. Which crime he commit to deserve that kind of punishment? Which crime this black American man commits, this judge commits, deserve that kind of punishment, my people? The man they cry. So tell Mona put eye for ground. Una go see where the man cry. He call peace. He peace the last piece on social media. He call peace. Mona look that place. Not be water they talk for them. Not be rainfall for them. Not be erosion they there. Now when that man take chat when you don't tire, you know there's some struggle when you do before peace go come out for your nyash. You know go know that man peace right there. In peace, the man say they shout, please, I can't breathe. The man they cry, I can't breathe, I can't breathe. What is the help? Because they say police now to save the, to make they guide the country and to guide the people when they make problem while not called. Okay, what it come make this black what did this black American man did to this white policeman? To deserve that kind of punishment in public. There are people when they use God, they kill the thief up and down. They don't do what they do to this man to them. No. No. At the end, the man called they cry. What did they call some this thing? Called they come out for the man mat. What I go call them? Some white something. Foam. Mona look that man where. Mona go watch the video again when he never died. When they cry for help. Mona wash on, I go see when foam they come out for the man. He struggle, now he give up. He give up for there. At the end, they say, doctor, kill you now. Now, doctor, now go kill you. Which doctor? Which doctor declare the man say he don't die? You don't get any doctor, my people. Now there, now that man for die. Because after they don't press her. The man say, okay, I can't stand up. Please help me. Please help me. I can't breathe. What is the man supposed to do? Should be the man supposed to help that man. Okay, what is the three many policemen can they do? Because they send them a mission on the day, and the mission not can go. Because man, I'm not also they disack themselves or they dismiss you. Because if now black do this one, we not go rest. If now black man do this one, all the worldwide go down carry on. Not be only black not be animal. Black not be animal to white. Black not be animal to Igbo. Mona get that attitude on fucking head. We not be animal to no. They said black did their country now carry the country they do slave trade. Now America take fool for black today. When Europeans see they run up and make black not fool, but they forget the time they were using black for slave trade. Black did their country, they can't go there, they can't go pack black, they do slave trade. As they can't use black, they do slave trade. Finish. The one we call the bond, the one with the give call the give. Now they take bond when America black got a full out tomorrow. So not even get their root. Okay, now we don't now constantly they fight the people. Now great grandfather don't fair use their great grandpapa, mama. Okay, the children when they constantly born, when they constantly their life, they don't want to let them rest. Imagine when camera never did what did they do to those slave trade people. The time when they go Africa, go they park there, they forget. But now they are killing them. They use the verse for them. They massacre them like say tomorrow, not they. Not be they pack themselves come that time as it can't be now. Now they go Africa, go park, they call the phone, they want to do fun, they build their mansion. Now those great grandfathers they build on that time. But the time can't reach when those one cause get belete born when those children call the day now they don't let the rest. Imagine when camera never did that time people. You know what they do to black. Talk less of now when camera don't they see look at what they are still doing to black. Because when I go see many things where we say crime when you go commit, you know go see they touch them. They go prepare. Look at their prison for the America tomorrow black na full. Both small children both grown up and they pack they put. So tell this our brother when God go bless Jay-Z and the wife. They call somebody they call they release people for them for prison. Because they don't go look and say black when they die American prison. Now many pass white. And now why now they commit the problem pass. But now black they put till they replace them. Till they replace them. Jay-Z know how much he born. Is it not last year, be this year? To pay government to release people for him. Jay-Z know how much he spent put. Because when they don't go share the prison around and black na full and ain't penta. Because if they want to do anything when not good, they'll say na black. If they want to do cake when not good, or the cake when not good when they share, they'll say they'll go use black. They do a chocolate, they'll say na black. But anything when it good, now they won't be white. Now they won't be Oyibo. Black no good. At the end, that man, American citizen, is a black American man. That man still have the mind and the guts to treat that man like as a trash. I go take color as a trash for public. Finish. After he don't know, that man know, that policeman knows say that black American man don't die. But he can't pretend as if nothing happened. He can't use pattern to tell the other one for there, make that one call eye blast. Why eye blast can't come? Okay, wait till make una call eye blast if nothing do the man. Wait till make eye blast come carry the man. Make them for not quick cold, my people. Make them for not quick cold. After the man don't die finish, the one we can't pay me pass. After the man die finish, when eye blast come carry the man, when one boy and one girl come say, you kill this man, you kill this man. When that boy come they cry, call the video there for them. They come to finish. They don't know say the man don't die. They want to talk. They say they don't know say he died. Doctor declared that the man is dead. Which doctor declared that man died right there? Nothing like doctor declare say that man don't die. That man don't use breathing come up for that place, for that tire road there. That time when not talk again, when be say you can't dead there like that, he don't die. That time when they lie down, when they dead there, when be say the man not fit talk again. The last power, now the man tell us say, please help me. I can't breathe. Please help me. I can't breathe. Please help me. May you know those wicked people, they know how they take they use pattern till they keep black. That man don't do that training. Don't know say me to put knee for person, handcuff am for back, put knee for neck, he go. They after many minutes he go die. They don't know. They can be. They don't. They use that pattern until they keep people for there. Nobody go know. This one I can't leak the anyash. When I say no, so I talk. Because if not be so, somebody say you say somebody do or offend. Are you the government or judge? You are just a policeman. Why can't you take the man to the police station and let them conclude what they are going to do with the man? If they want send a prison, make they send it. They want leave and make them leave him. Okay, why you can't they carry the man, they patrol? After they don't say the man died, my people, wait till they call, they say, the man resist arrest. How come? Many people video that man. He don't resist any arrest. They can't run. When they don't say the man don't die, they want to go turn and make the same now because he resists arrest. Now make the judge die. Now they call quickly go bring street camera come. God so kind. They say that before they go bring street camera, because they quickly go ask the man, because a restaurant they say for the come outside, they go ask the Oyibo man before uncle, what did the Oyibo man be want? If you want to say no resist arrest. But if na Oyibo man like answer, go to say he not get what he do. As far as Black America when they fed the verse before, yes, the restaurant man say resist arrest. Now I make them the thing come motivate them more because they don't say the man don't die, the judge don't die. They come quickly go bring street camera. Now street camera and I can't leak the anyash because as they don't come to street camera, not be only they go look at. People many way go bring the street camera come outside. If Pashad as far as it involves say person don't die. So you not go let them hide. You not go let them do wuru. Now street camera take come outside. Street camera come outside, my people. Guess what? The man not resist any arrest. He not fight them. They carry the man, they patrol for area there. They say make the man sit down, sit down. They say make it waka, waka. With alcohol, the man sit down for ground. Okay, who not obey person? Now you go to do that one. Many devil they alcohol their hand go by. They will use leg, they knock your teeth go pull because they're the first with that in boot. But this man don't do. He didn't do such a thing. He didn't fight. He not drag. He not do anything. The couple can go be street camera. The end street camera because he say this man they detain this man for nothing's sake. Nothing this man do. Nothing this man commit. No crime. Nothing this man do. They don't just know how to do this man. Or as the brother of this man talks. This man when he lays so. As the brother talk. He said they pay people to kill people. Yes. Because if they don't pay that white man. That policeman. No, it's too obvious. That training. That man got that training when they do that thing. He know say if they even use this thing to shoot them, they go detect and say you do one. So that pattern now in your proposal you by that man. Mona no. They don't they use that strategy long time ago. They know what it means. 2 years the back they press the man. Why he just stand by for the neck, pull her for pocket balance. You don't know what it mean to anchor person hand for back one and to carry your knee, put for person neck. And on the floor get floor, not be tiles, not be where rock day. Now kota, when road, kota na. When you mistakenly fall for bicycle for kota, you don't know what that means. You don't know the pain. Talkless of the man was even dragging. That man face go pee when he carried proof for that ground. Because he was even dragging like this. Please help me. Officer, please help me. I can't breathe. But this man refused. Okay, waiting could be the protect when I call the protect human being. Because I don't understand. Which protect they call the protect? Because he's black American man. I don't understand where this wickedness won't carry them go. Upon those COVID-19, we see they work out and down, see they pile one after the other, they give una bye. That one not still give una sense, more still be say, more see they let black rest. Because God the heaven don't know so now they oppress black. Black they their culture now carry their papa and their mama to do slave trade. All those one called they here now. When I say what they cause do at the end I see the kill them one after the other. What is the need? What is all this? Wait till cause they vex me. They say the man they fire who? Now people when the boat kill human being, now that they fire. That means you don't know what they do. If they resign or they fire them, now then they know what they do that man. So the justice it must come aside. Justice not peace as they talk because they probably killed them. That man that way that was very painful. Nobody go sit down. I said that person are bad racist. Now you not go see that judge video when not go shed tears. Because they punish Jamati the last word for mouth. They suffer that man for what he don't even know about. Why? Wait till they this life. When then you're the carry, say they be Oyibo, when you're the carry, like say they never see like them before. Because they say themselves, not they die. Now they see medicine, when they say themselves, not they die, go for so okay. Now because they get the medicine, they say themselves, not they die. Now they make up. Themselves still they die. Because now God created them too. Because I see no reason why. Those people that were videoing those people, they were trying to help, but they can't. They were, in fact, their hand was tied. They can't help. Now they kill that man. Now they talk say they sack the saku. They will go prison, put them nothing like, because if na black policeman do that one to white. If na black policeman do that one to una, we not go black no go get peace. All those one the American and so. Okay, because me say no one they use this to the kid them. Now the pattern when the city bring on they want to the kid black and be that one so. Then now all of them now they don't observe that pattern. Now say good though, shine your eye. That one American man, black America, they born on there. All those one when come what you bob for when they say they phone say they get passport here, no go hear what. They do shishi, they support Oyibo, they do black. They'll come out, they'll go they lie, they'll go come out, they'll go they join Oyibo, they do black. Now so they'll sit take on life one after the other. As they take they lie, as they take they join them, they do black bad. As they take they join them, they beat black. Even they say they go they clap and yes, that's good. If they're wrong, that one are normal. But say they're not wrong, just to remove them away from all, or you get waiting, it did better position to help people. They say me they remove them, or they see black when they progress, black like them when they say the first they get passport, they'll go they lie to bring that person down. All those informants when they get for all over this thing, now black like them, they still the same. Some they'll say they don't get passports, we they see them. So never even get passports, we know them. They will lie for you, but they will follow their hands, they will lie up and down. What is all this? Before you will see white man betray your brother, sister for you, it's very difficult. But what about black? Those stinking and useless one, not all. The one we're not there, come on. The one we're there, now finish. May they say I too good, or may they say I married to Oyibo, or may they say I married stinking and stupid, very stupid people. You can't forget say tomorrow you go still there. You can't forget say do wetin person go do to you. Wetin you know say person no go do, no do unto person. You can't forget say tomorrow they want still deal with you, they go deal with you. It be like one maybe say marry you boy get passport here, not the hear word. You go the lie, go the bang, you go they do this one. Cause they lie, they can't give them time. The time when they take fuck them up, you don't expect. They put allegation when they can't notice say. In one call they leak their nyad, you both them when they send that message. When they call the notice say when they do pass itself, in one call they leak their secrets. You know what they do? They discharge them to Africa quick. They form allegation for a head. They use them, do a thing, they repatriate them back. Now passport matter when they talk so. Can you imagine? So many people get sense. You have passports in this country, doesn't guarantee you are black. When you have the passport, they will still write it there. You are from so country. When you are born here, they'll still write and there you are born here. When you are born in America too, they born you, they'll still write and say you were born there. But if you are not born there, you can't fool yourself. If you not hear what. The good one I come out. I not say oh before the one we see marry you go see comment section, they comment, they cause their head. Not be all of them talk about. The one when they do evil, they join Oyibo, they do black something. They're free. But the one where they first say they marry Oyibo, they be mad, they be woman, they first say they marry Oyibo, they use until they do black bad. The day when God goes descend in thunder, they're not going to even see you bury. They're not going to even see that person bury. Me, I don't see you. They're not going to even see that person bury. Talk less of say, nah, Because those rubbish need to stop. It need to stop, for crying out loud. Because you see what this some black they do for this abroad. Lie. Food their mouth. They're not better. They're not going to let one better. Like Kate Pizza, now they fool herself, they go. Now so. Now then they say black like them to white. Maybe they lie. They say black like them to Yibo. You can't forget when there is God. You can't forget that there is God. When man propose, God dispose. What kind of bad attitude be that? You don't feel do something for you to ask. Like Kate Pizza, you don't feel do something for you to ask me, make I help you. And I like video, they hungry you. If they hungry, no as you want to enter. You can't be like me. Before you go be like me, we'll still take you more years. Forget Facebook, forget YouTube. Forget Facebook, I'm here on YouTube. Before you go be like me, it will still take you more years. Yeah, I'm there already. Even though I post, I want to post this one so. So many of them get brain. Many of our black, they get brain. But I didn't blame all those people that were there. They were trying to help. They be small boyfriend and girlfriend. They were trying to help this judge. But they can't. They're not fit. Those people just purposely kill that man. At the end, one person go to say, they sack who? Please, let justice come outside. Because that man is a human being, have family, have children, have wife. He have relative. So that man cannot just go down just like that. So I just still talk about this matter where they go on for social media, this judge with this matter where they go on. So thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Please don't forget to subscribe to Vera TV program and pursue the Enter House TV. I will still upload video there too. Thank you. All right. Thank you very much. Give your comment. Don't insult. No insult. What you think about the video when they go viral? When I do my own so. What you think about it? You are free to give your comments below. Just talk your mind. No insult, no fight. And please don't forget to give thumbs up. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. So I'm here to end this video right now. Thank you. Bye for now.